Students finished a massive school project today, a house. CKCO's Nicole Lampa explains how the Waterloo Region District School Board is trying to build a force of young, skilled trade workers.
Paving the way for a future in construction.
I've always been interested in it, and I figured it was a good way to get credits for high school and just get a new career.
He's part of the first class to graduate from the Compass construction project by building this $350,000 house in St. Jacobs.
What we do with the Waterloo Board is we just bring them both together, the students with the businesses, the construction companies, and we teach them the trades, we teach them all the safety aspects, and we teach them the various skills that they need to be a success.
Gary Bromberg was key. His company was the project's main partner and says there's a shortage of young, skilled workers.
Most of the workforce is a lot older, and there's not too many young guys wanting to get into it.
But students like Ian Miller say it's a good business to get into.
I think it's a great opportunity for students to learn a trade and get into a good work environment, because trades are really desperate right now.
With the need for skilled trade workers in the region, the school board hopes to run this project again next year. But that all depends on funding from the federal government. Nicole Lampa, CKCO News, St. Jacobs.